First, mastering your basics. So before jumping into any intermediate program, always make sure you master your basics. When I say basics, I am generally talking about movements like squat, hinge, push, pull and jump. These movements are bread and butter of calisthenics training, and the only way to master your basics is by repetitions. Second is form. One key way to improve your performance and reduce injury is to learn and observe correct form. And how can you check your form while workouts is basically recording your videos that will help you to correct your form by understanding where did you go wrong. Third is basically working on your negatives. Negatives are basically slow and controlled movements against the gravity, in other words eccentric movement. Let's take an example of front lever. If you want to practice and learn front lever, start off with mastering and working on its basics. Start off with the highest possible height you can and then come down slowly to the normal hang position. Do it as slow as possible so that you get enough strength to do a proper front lever. Fourth is working out barefoot. When the toddler is learning to walk, parents are told to let this process happen naturally and without shoes, because shoes can affect how the child is using the muscles and bones of the feet, and it improves their stability. In the same way, when you're trying to learn some new movement and working on stability, make sure you work out barefoot initially. Fifth is having a track on your workouts. Firstly, logging your workouts holds you more accountable and honest. Your workout logs reveals either you have a positive pattern or negative avoidance. It tells whether you are committed to your workouts or not. Secondly, tracking your workouts makes you more purpose-driven and efficient. Your workout should always have a goal and purpose. Either it's about getting strong or improving endurance. Each workout should be about improving something.